What are the benefits of taking Culturelle probiotics? Probiotics are used to improve digestion and restore normal flora. Probiotics have been used to treat bowel problems, such as diarrhea, irritable bowel, eczema, vaginal yeast infections, lactose intolerance, and urinary tract infections. Culturelle Ultimate Strength Unisex Probiotic Supplement with 20 billion CFUs, 30 quart. Product details. When the natural balance of good bacteria in your digestive tract is disturbed, your digestive system is open to a variety of issues. When making changes to your diet is not enough, adding a daily probiotic can help keep your digestive system in check. Take charge with Culturelle Digestive Health Extra Strength. Culturelle Digestive Health Extra Strength works naturally with your body to help keep your digestive system in balance. Each capsule contains 20 billion live active cultures of Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG, LGG, the most clinically studied probiotic strain, plus the prebiotic inulin. That's 2x more live active cultures section per capsule to help with occasional diarrhea, gas and bloating. Culturelle Digestive Health Extra Strength helps your microbiome cope with the impact of travel and stress. Exclusively powered by the proven effective probiotic, Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG, LGG, Culturelle Digestive Health Extra Strength starts working as early as 48 hours. Culturelle, the #1 pharmacist-recommended probiotic brand, is recognized for its safe and effective use. Culturelle is the leader in probiotics. Trust your gut to Culturelle. Culturelle Ultimate Strength Probiotic with 20 billion CFUs, 30 quart. Proven effective, Culturelle Digestive Health Extra Strength capsules are powered by Lactobacillus rhamnosus, LGG. LGG is the proven effective and clinically studied probiotic strain, to help your digestive system work better. 20 billion live active cultures. Culturelle Digestive Health Extra Strength contains 20 billion live active cultures of LGG. That's 2x more live active cultures per capsule section to help with occasional digestive upset. Daily Digestive Health LGG is naturally sourced and scientifically proven to work in harmony with your body to keep your digestive system in balance. Helps with occasional digestive upset, including diarrhea, gas and bloating. For daily use, take 1 capsule per day. No refrigeration required. Every package of Culturelle meets the highest standards for purity and potency when consumed, not just when we make it. To preserve the billions of CFUs, colony-forming units, in your Culturelle, store it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Free from tree nuts and peanuts. Safe and effective. Over 1,000 scientific studies and 30 years of research have demonstrated the safety and efficacy of LGG probiotic. Culturelle is vegetarian and gluten-free, filled-up pointing triangle dairy-free, carrot sugar-free, and non-GMO. Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG, LGG, helps with gas and bloating. Safe for everyday use.